Good morning, everyone. Good morning. For today, let's work on a smaller canvas. Normally, by the way, in collections, I work on the same size canvas. For this one, this will be the smallest, and next week I will do a big one. But for today, let's start with a turquoise kind of base. I already tested the base out, and I'm loving the colors that I selected. So let's go with that. I'm nervous. Why? And it's even a small canvas, so let's just start with a little bit of white. Just a little bit of white. And then a little bit of phthalo turquoise. Now we need a little bit more of a green shade, but also my cameras, they do not pick up turquoise very well. It always looks very blue, even though a lot of the times it's a lot more green. Okay, let's go with the dark colors. I do need to mix that. It will be a phthalo turquoise with a little bit of Payne's gray, not too much, and quite something like brown. And this will make the color a little bit more green, but you might not see it on this camera. Okay, I think this is nice for now. I will spray this down. And now I'm gonna go over this with a sponge, dry sponge. And I will keep doing this till I feel like we got something that I like. Yes, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be back. This is dry. This is dry. In the other two paintings, the flower came from this side, so I'm planning to go the other side now. And I think I want the composition to be like this. Let's just start. Not overthink this. So this is, by the way, the same mix as this color up here. Beautiful. It just does not need a lot. Where do I want the flower to go? I think maybe even from this center up here. Okay, I like that. Now let's make a little stem from where I want the flower to come from, because now I'm not really seeing it, and if I create a stem, then I have sort of guideline, literally. Going like that. It's clean, very clean at this moment. Maybe the flower will bring life to this. Don't want a big flower. Wow, that's not big. Don't like this. That's not big at all. Let's take that white away. Oh, well, it's leaving a mark here. I think I can go over that later to make that a little better. That's fine. Go again. I need this bigger. I already feel this one is gonna be a hard one. Some more white there. See? What's going on? I do like the flow of this, so I'm gonna leave that. This part, that definitely needs some fixing if this one works out. Beautiful. Let's look at it. Okay, I like the shapes of this. Let's create one petal up here. Bring it more down and create some more lighter brush strokes up here. I think it's a plan. Not really feeling this one at this moment yet. Let's create a similar brush stroke like these two up here. But I already know I'm gonna get that line because apparently that's happening all the time. It's just the way how I use my brush though, and it's fine. Because sometimes it creates like these beautiful effects. But also, if I leave the white for a little longer on the canvas, then it will stick a little bit more to the canvas and then it won't happen that much. So I kind of need to be aware of that. But I'm impatient. Let's wait a little. You see? Now it does not happen. Ooh, that is nice. That's a little bit of a different color here as well. Nice. With the bigger brush, create some more lighter colors as well and bring out some more contrast here and some more depth. Right about here. I'm gonna let this dry, think about it. Maybe I will add some more, maybe I don't, maybe I just need to get used to this palette as well. Yeah, I'll be back. Here you go, the end result. I didn't do anything anymore, just sign it and finish the sides. This is the most turquoise painting I've ever made in my life, and I think this flower shape is gorgeous. It's a very clean painting, I must say. I might dabble around with it just a little bit more, but overall pretty happy, and I would love to hear what you think of it. Next week I will work on quite a big canvas and I will use a dusty rose as the background. Can't wait to get started with that. I've already selected the color palette and I think it's gonna be awesome. And remember, if you wanna know what art supplies and tools that I use, go check out the description, and I do have multiple courses in this style. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week, Saturday.